Hi everyone, this is the week 2 overview. I like to make this as short as possible. I'm not going to go into great detail about the assignments because if you watch the assignment videos, it does that for you already. This is just kind of my quick overview of what to expect in the coming week. I think it can be helpful just to kind of get a quick like week 2 in a nutshell. So on Wednesday, July 15th, you'll see you have to respond to the second discussion post. And if you have forgotten about how to submit a discussion post, the video that was in the week 1 is right here. However, it's not that complicated. You just click reply, type in your answer. So for this week's discussion, these are the issues or habits that you have to consider. And you're going to answer these 2 questions. Which one of those habits is a weakness and which one is a strength, and then what resources at Bryan University help you succeed, like your instructor, student outreach, IT, and then you're going to click reply, type your answer in, and post reply. Okay. Moving on to your assignments that are due on Sunday. You have 2 assignments this week, 2.1 and 2.2. 2.2 is a lot easier than 2.1, so I encourage you to tackle 2.1 and then 2.2, which is why it's set up that way. For 2.1, there are a lot of attachments down here. Well, let me start by saying the how-to video, which walks you through exactly, completing this entire assignment is right here. Okay, so make sure to watch that before you ask me questions, because my first question is going to be, did you watch the assignment video? Okay. Secondly, all of these attachments are not needed to complete the work. The main ones you need to use and open are the instructions, and depending if you have a PC or a Mac, you'll need one of these. For me, it'd be Mac because I run on a Mac. If you have a PC, then this is the one you're going to click on. And then in addition to that attachment, you want to also open the assignment. This is it's a Word document that you're going to alter. I'm going to open up these briefly. I'm not going to complete them in full, just to kind of show you what I'm talking about. So I opened up the directions, and now I'm going to open up the actual assignment. And what I like to do is I just put them side by side. I'm going to scroll down, and basically all you're doing is, for this first portion, you're going to alter this. So I need to make it Times New Roman, as I'll show you in the directions. 12-point font. I need to double space it. I'm going to have to spell check it at some point. Okay. I have to bold and center. I have this pretty memorized. Can you tell? Over here are your steps, as you saw me do. Times New Roman font, 12. Bold, center. Okay, so that's the first part. I didn't complete it all the way, but I'm going to move on to part 2. Over here, it's a little bit more complicated. You're going to have to add bullet points, a table, an image into here. And so as you go through this to the second part of this assignment, you're going to see right here, 2.1 part 2. And it's called the Earth's atmosphere. It's just, you're basically going to alter this assignment. You're going to put, you're going to double space Times New Roman, just like you did in the first one, and then you are going to add a table, bullet points, and the Earth's image. You see right here, this picture is over in Learn Bryan right here. Okay, so that's the other part that you need. And finally, what I want to discuss is this attachment, which is what your assignment should look like when it's complete. It's a PDF file that you can compare yours to mine to make sure that you have correctly completed the assignment. So if you open this up when you're all done, or even while you're working, if that's easier, you can just look at it and say, okay, does mine look like this? Because if yours looks like this, then you did it correctly. Okay? So that is the first assignment in week 2, and then really quickly I'm going to go over the second assignment, which is 2.2, and it's just pretty simple. It's a Zoom reflection. You're just going to answer these questions about your live session course, which is not this class, it's your other class, kind of what you enjoy about Zooming, what you find challenging, and this you're just going to type up in a Word document, kind of a reflective essay. I'm not going to grade too harshly. Of course, I'm going to look that you spell checked it and are using, professional collegiate writing, but I'm not expecting APA format or anything. And then you're going to upload it to Learn Brian, and that's it. So that is all that is due this week. I hope that was helpful. And as always, you can contact me with questions or concerns. Take care. Bye.